Right now, let's talk about the iPhone journal application. Let's get started. And the question is if it's actually worth it to use it. Should you actually use it for your use cases, right? So let me explain that. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you do not miss anything important. So it's a built-in application from Apple, right? So it's going to work well. There aren't going to be any subscriptions in place. It's all done and it syncs with your iCloud and all of your Apple devices. So that's the great thing about it, right? And it's different from the Notes app because a lot of people kind of confuse it with that because the Notes app is supposed to store literally anything, right? And it doesn't have like a calendar feature or anything like that. But the point is that in the section right there within your journal, you can create a brand new one and it just behaves a little bit different, right? Because it connects with your state of mind. You can add locations, you can attach photos, right? And it's a different idea of an application because it is supposed to capture your individual thoughts for the day, right? So you'll be able to see and attach your locations, titles, thoughts, whatever. And yeah, you can even draw in it, click on the entry date, and so many different things which you can work with it. And then you'll be able to see and go back in a time to browse your thoughts from that day. And it's a great idea because it's separated from the Notes app or other note-taking applications. So it's only for your thoughts. No like to-do list or no other random productivity notes are going to be in here. And it's great because it's separated because you can also hold down on the icon and click on require Face ID, which lets you just lock the app, right? Because it is supposed to contain your private thoughts. So it makes sense to have it separated, right? Should you use it? Well, of course, if you need this type of application for journaling, it's a great choice. But it's just not a different note-taking application which is supposed to replace your built-in Notes app. So let me know how you decided to use it or if at all. Subscribe for more explanations and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.